Hi viewers, shall we know the importance of adjectives? Shall we also know what are the different adjectives that we use in our normal life when we speak to others? Yes, adjective sounds very interesting. It is a very important part of speech. It is very important when you start describing about somebody, some place, something, or about any incident. Adjectives describe you about the quality and quantity, which is very important to know about anything else. It's very difficult to write an article without using an adjective. You want to describe about a person, place, or a thing, or an animal, anything for that matter, you need to know about adjectives. That is how you describe it. Adjectives can also be called as describing words. For example, tall tree, a beautiful girl, a ferocious animal, a warm bed. So the word before a noun that describes the noun is called an adjective. Adjectives can describe the feelings. It can describe about people. It can describe about size. Shall we just know the list of the adjectives? Yes, here we go about it. Let me list out few adjectives which list out our feelings. Angry, annoyed, anxious, arrogant, ashamed, bored, clumsy, confused, creepy, cruel, depressed, disgusting, embarrassed, envious, fierce, foolish, grumpy, hungry, jealous, lazy, lonely. Shall we know some more adjectives which describe the feelings? Agreeable, amused, brave, charming, cheerful, courageous, delightful, determined, eager, energetic, enthusiastic, friendly, gentle, happy, helpful, jolly, perfect, pleasant, proud, relieved. So these are the adjectives which describe the feelings. Angry bird. Where's the adjective here? Angry, which is a noun here, bird. The arrogant smile. Arrogant is the adjective here. A confused man. Where's the adjective? Confused. So, these are the adjectives which describe about feelings. Shall we see some more adjectives which describe people? Adorable, aggressive, annoying, beautiful, clumsy, confident, considerate, excitable, firm, glamorous, grumpy, handsome, important, kind, moody, pretty, talented, thoughtful, thoughtless. Shall we see some more adjectives describing noise? Calm, deafening, gentle, loud, noisy, relaxed, silent, tranquil, quiet. Shall we know about some adjectives that describe size? Yes, here we go. Big, fat, gigantic, great, high, huge, immense, large, little, mammoth, massive, miniature, petite, short, skinny, small, tall, tiny, wide. So these are the different adjectives where we use in different situations. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Please wait to know more. Until the next session, bye. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.